Hi everyone. Hello my beautiful subscribers. How are you all? Hope you all are very good. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Ami Talks. I'm Amita. In this video, I'm sharing with you about e-commerce and the types of e-commerce business model. So without further ado, let's go into the video. Firstly, I'm taking the term from the topic is e-commerce. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is a business of buying and selling things over the internet. It refers to any form of business transaction conducted online with the help of internet. As you all familiar with the terms Flipkart, Myntra and Snapdeal, which give a benefit for all of us for buying, selling the goods and services. But before these, there was a FabMart. India's first e-commerce website is fabmart.com in 1991, which is started by K. Veti Sevran. This is about e-commerce. Now I'm going to the next slide, that is types of business models. E-commerce business sell their products through one of the following four business models such as B2B, B2C, C2B and C2C. Now first one is B2B, stands for business to business. B2B e-commerce is simply defined as e-commerce between companies. This is a type of e-commerce that deals with relationship between and among businesses. It is a type of business model where the exchange of goods and services take place between two or more businesses. Business to business companies are supportive that offer the things to the other business need to operate and grow. B2B transactions tend to happen in supply chain, where one company will purchase raw material from another to be used in manufacturing process. It is refers to the business who sell products and services to other business instead to consumers because the motto the motto of B2B is to make the counterparts where they sell their products and earn maximum profit. You can make a business transaction in your own city, state, any country to other part of the world through B2B business. B2B is a business stream which connect manufacturers, suppliers, buyers, sellers, wholesalers, dealers, distributors, importers, exporters online through various B2B websites or web portals. About 80% of e-commerce is of this type. This model means. And most experts predict that B2B commerce will continue to grow faster than the B2C segment. The world's best B2B website for global wholesale trade is Alibaba. Alibaba is the largest B2B online marketplace in the world. And another websites are IndiaMart, eWorld Trade, Made in China, TradeIndia.com, and so on. One is B2C. B2C stands for business to consumer. A B2C business model is one in which a company sells a services or a product directly to a consumer. A B2C e-commerce refers to a process of selling to individual customers directly. As you all see in the picture, business sell their products or services individually to the consumers. B2C is an emerging e-commerce model which is exclusively known for its easier product and services transaction in a business. So that the consumer can contact directly, there would be a good business relationship between them and the business transaction will be good, better and the best. The main motto of B2C model is to bring a best and easy business system to the public. Business to consumer companies include Amazon, Walmart, and other companies where individual customers are the end user of a product services. There are some B2C websites are Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, Myntra, Domino's, Pizza Hut, and the Lenskart. So this is the website's name. Now the difference between B2C and B2B. First one is B2B. B2B focus on building personal relationship that drive long-term business, where B2C establish transactional relationship. Second one is branding is the part of B2B marketing, where branding is also the number one priority of B2C marketing. It makes the connectivity with customers and motivate them to buy. In B2B, communication is more open between business to determine it is good fit for both parties or not. In B2C, simplify the process. B2B business usually work in a specific market to effectively attract them. B2C work in a large scale of market and the target is much more spread out. In B2B business are much more likely to want to purchase services or products from an expert who understands their terminologies, processes and even the decisions they have to make during the buying process. B2C should evoke emotion in the consumer. So here the difference between B2B and B2C business models. Now the next one, the third one is consumer to business, C2B. C2B is a business model in which consumer create value and business consume that value. In this model, consumer can offer products and services to the companies and the companies pay the consumers. In the example, consumers provide goods and services and company pay the money. Picture of C2B model, customer provide services like in website form and the business pay the money to the customer. It is much more similar with the C2C business model. Now the last one model is consumer to consumer, C2C. The C2C model involves transaction between consumers. Last slide, C2B, the consumers sell the products or services to the business. So it is much more similar. In this model, consumer sells directly to another consumer. Online websites that provide a consumer to advertise and sell their products online to another consumers. The sites bring the buyer and the seller together to conduct deals. In this type of model, consumers decide to price a particular product rather than the supplier. And here are some C2C websites name, that is Quikr, eBay and OLX, which is very famous C2C websites. That's all about the business models and about e-commerce. Thank you. I hope this information is helpful for you. So please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe.